Fetch AI at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move, and at the time of this recording we are slightly holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, and all this is playing out after we saw a bit of a short-term bounce yesterday on our key area of support above the $1.162 in a move that has now given us a high above the 1.359. And on today's video, I will be focusing on significant key areas that we need to continue holding in the next coming days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, because I will also be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see on sign up, you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. And all you need to provide is an email address and a phone number for registration. Getting back to the charts, I will be basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, where I believe that from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, we started a very impulsive movement to the upside, where we picked in a 5-wave structure in a move that gave us a high above the $1.742, completing an even larger Elliott wave count 1. And after we completed the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1, I have been expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I gave you in my previous videos by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliott wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78 as a maximum, and that is between the 1.346 and the $0.926, which is the area that I have marked here on the charts. And because of the corrective nature of Elliott wave count 2s, I have also been expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where on the charts you can see that we have seen the formation of a wave A, a bounce in a wave B, and I believe whatever is playing out at the moment is the final phase of that Elliott wave count 2 in this wave C to fully maximize my target area, give us a low for the second wave before we can finally bounce to the upside in an impulsive Elliott wave count 5. And the moment we have a low in place for this wave 2, we will get a confirmation by getting a 5-wave structure to the upside, confirming that we now have a low in place for this wave 2, and the start of an impulse to the upside in a wave 3 is just getting started, where I will be expecting that wave 3 to easily get us back above the $2 mark. And that is all I'm expecting on the short term. This is the area that we need to fully maximize and also continue holding within in the next coming days. Jumping to the daily chart to give you my long-term price prediction analysis, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulse to the upside, where we picked in this Elliott wave count 1 above the 3.479. Then we started a corrective structure in an Elliott wave count 2 into the minimum pullback target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with using the fibs, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is an area that we have not fully maximized. And for my bullish bias to play out in that Elliott wave count 3 and a wave 4 and then a wave 5 taking us to new all-time highs, we need to see Fetch AI holding above the fib level 0.88 on the daily chart that lies above the $0.6. So in the next coming days, in case of any bearish movements, we need to continue holding above the $0.6 for me to still maintain my bullish bias to the upside, which should take us to new all-time highs in this bull market. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.